Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into Minecraft step by step. First, open the Minecraft game on your device. This work for Android, iPhone, PC or console. Make sure your internet connection is turned on. On the main screen, look for the sign in button, tap or click on it and you will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Then enter your Microsoft email address and password. After signing in, Minecraft will automatically connect your account. You will now have access to online features like realms, multiplayer servers and sync your world. And that's it, you have successfully signed into Minecraft. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more Minecraft tutorials. Bye bye.